Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a monochrome eyeshadow makeup look. So keep watching the video guys. First of all, I'll be starting with the moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer from the brand called Ayur. Second, I'm using this toner from Plum, just a little bit and just rub onto your face. Next is the moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer from Cetaphil. Now we'll be correcting the blemishes and dark spots. I'm using this palette from MyGlam. I'll be using the orange corrector from my palette. With the help of a sponge, I'll be quickly blending this. Now I'm using this setting powder from MyGlam just to set the base. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from the brand called Beauty Glazed, and I'm using a single shade. First I'll be contouring using a light base, and then I'm using this yellow color from my palette. It's all about monochrome look. It's all about variations, so you can either opt for light from dark or dark to light. I will be highlighting my inner corners. Now I'll be using a shimmery shade from my palette, and I'll be putting in the center of my lid. The other side. Now I will be doing my liner thing, and I'm using this liner from Wet n Wild Beauty. The other side. Now the mascara from Maybelline New York. Just to add drama to my eyes. Now the next is the eyebrows. I will be just filling the gaps. I won't be overdoing it because I believe I have a pretty good eyebrows, so I don't like to do it a fake kind of an eyebrows. Just to fill in the gaps. Just a little bit outlining. That's it. Now I'll be starting with the foundation. I'm using this foundation from the brand called Eric. It gives a very dewy finish, and you just need a little bit. Just dot it and on the entire face. With the help of PAC foundation brush, just quickly blend this entirely on your face. set the base with the setting powder, and I'm using this powder from MyGlam. Now the next is the contouring part, and I'm using this contouring from Nika pencil, the darkest brown. Just quickly dab this. Now the blush, and I'm using this blush from Color Bar, the highlight powder, and this powder is from the brand called Sugar. On bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, high points of cheeks, and center of the forehead. Now the lip part, and I'm using this lip liner from the brand called Color Bar. Now lipstick, and this is from the brand called Chambord. Setting spray from Color Bar, and yes, it's done. So this is the monochrome look which I've created for my attire. It's a very simple look and you can easily try it out. You can even have a different variations in this, as I have used a single color with some shimmer. This is the close-up look. If you have found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon too.